Hello everyone and welcome back to module 1 of JavaScript. In this session, we'll learn all about applications of JavaScript. So let's start. Now, in last lecture, we have seen that what is JavaScript and why JavaScript is important in creating a web page or a mobile app or any other apps that runs on internet browser or on local host system. Now, let's see some example of JavaScript through which we can create multiple applications. So let's start. The first is web development. Now, what do you mean by web development? Web development is known as website development as well. Refers to these tasks associated with creating and building and maintaining the website. That is the website you see on a particular Internet Explorer or Chrome. When you type some URL, you get redirected to a particular website. So that website is created using JavaScript. Now, what does the JavaScript play roles in creating a website? JavaScript allows users to create dynamic and interactive web pages to interact with the visitor and execute complex action whenever needed. Our next application is web application. Now, what do you mean by web application? A web application is a software or a program which is accessible using any web browser. For example, Google, Amazon, Pinterest, Netflix, Zoom, WhatsApp, Canva, etc. So these are some web application, which we explore anytime, anywhere through the web browsers. Now, various JavaScript frameworks are used for developing robust web applications. For example, in an application like Google Map, if user want to explore a map, all they have to do is click and drag the mouse. This is done with the help of JavaScript, which interacts with the browser without communicating with the server. So which makes the user interact through the web browser very easy and smoothly. Then next come the games. Creating games on the web application is another important application of JavaScript. The combination of JavaScript and HTML5 plays a major role in games development using JS. Complex browser games like tower building, crosscode are based on JavaScript. And the last application is mobile app. One of the most powerful application of JavaScript is to create apps for no web contents, means not on internet. As we have seen in web application, which only works on internet. But it is also used by creating a mobile application that is used offline on your particular devices. JavaScript frameworks have been designed to facilitate more apps development across various platforms like iOS, Android, and videos. That's it for this video. Thank you.